Hey Nash, what should we make?
I was watching Forrest Gump last night and now I'm craving shrimp.
How should we cook it?
Why don't you grill it with a Korean-ish type sauce?
All right, let's make some grilled Korean-ish shrimp. Today, we're making Korean-ish grilled shrimp. It's gonna be delicious. We're gonna make a marinade our shrimp, throw them on some skewers, cook them on the grill. It's gonna be pretty quick, real easy, and delicious. So hey, without further ado, let's go. To a small bowl, we add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of gochujang, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon minced garlic, 1 teaspoon red pepper flakes. Then we give this a mix. Set that aside. And we have a pound of 2040 shrimp here. So we're just gonna pour this marinade onto our shrimp. And then we just sort of mix to combine, make sure all of our shrimp gets covered here. Now at this point, you could cook your shrimp right away, or you can throw a cover on this, throw it in the fridge and let it marinate. Keep in mind, the shrimp would taste good if we cooked it right now, but the longer you marinate it, the more flavor the shrimp is gonna have. So we're just gonna go ahead and cover this and throw it in the fridge for probably a few hours. We'll see you in a few hours.
A few hours later.
And once our shrimp is marinated, we're just gonna go ahead and put these guys on to some skewers. And again, these are metal skewers. If you have wooden skewers, you want to soak those for at least an hour. And these are 2040s, so I'd say these are like medium shrimp. You could use any size you want. I mean, obviously the little cocktail ones aren't gonna work, but any of the bigger ones, you know, if you wanted to use some 1620s, those would be a little bit bigger than this, but those would work great. So we're just gonna go and do this. Make sure and make a big mess. With a nice hot grill, make sure and grease your grates. Go ahead and throw these guys on. Now these are gonna cook pretty quick, so first we just want to kind of move them a little bit. We don't want them to stick. We're just really looking for probably 2 to 3 minutes aside. Normally, if you're cooking shrimp in a pan, it would be when they start to curl, but since we already curled them to put it on here, it's when they start to get sort of non-translucent, but you'll be able to tell. So, like I said, about 2 to 3 minutes aside. When your shrimp is done, go ahead and kill the heat, and then we can pull them off the grill. And we let them rest. And there we have our Korean-ish grilled shrimp skewers. Ta-da! Time for a bite. Cheers. So good. I mean, it was really simple. This is super easy. I mean, this whole recipe, especially if you didn't let it marinate for a long period of time, you could do all this in 10 minutes. No problem, but so good. The shrimp is tender, still has a nice bite, but it's juicy, not overcooked, cooked kind of just perfectly. That marinade is savory, it's sweet, it's a little spicy, just a great mix of flavors. Serve it with rice, serve it with veggies, eat it right off the skewer. You could make tacos out of it, make like some sort of a shrimp sandwich. Possibilities are endless. So freaking good. Let's see what Nash thinks. Hey buddy, look at you with your little American flag bandana. I got something for you. Here's that grilled Korean shrimp that you requested. Can you sit? Good boy. Well, here you go. What do you think?
Delicious.
Do you have any thoughts, my friend?
Fall in the moat, and you'll be wiser next time.
Touche. Nash approves. I approve. Look, it's a great dish. Very delicious. Comes together super quick. Definitely add this to your barbecue rotation for summertime or all year round, depending on where you live or how much you like the cold during the winter time. Grilling during the cold season, not a bad thing. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to like, subscribe, and share the show, I'd really appreciate it. It would mean a lot to us. If you want notifications every time we drop a new video, go ahead and hit that notification bell. If there's anything you want me to cook, you want me and Nash to taste, go ahead and drop that in the comments, or go head over to our website, timschaoskitchen.com, and send us a message there. And just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Until next time, peace.